What's going on, guys? It's Trivon Thompson, Century 21 Connect Realty, realtor and investor specialist, coming to you to talk to you about your real estate investing education. Now, I want to get started by letting you know that not all parts of your investing education will work for you. We've got a myriad of different ways to learn, and everybody has their own way of learning any given amount of material. The biggest thing you need to take away is that you don't have to pay some guru thousands of dollars to go sit in a conference to learn everything that you need to learn. I'm going to give you quite a few different sources of information from which you can glean any amount or anything you need to learn about real estate investing, from the smallest to the greatest. Be sure to consider each before moving forward with any specific one. Number one, books. Now, books are the oldest learning tool that we have besides experience. And you just can't run out there and gain experience when there are so many pieces of information laying around. You'd just be foolish. If you don't like to read, you're kind of out of luck here. You need to be able to adapt and learn any way you can. And if you don't like to read, there's always, audible.com or any other resource that does audiobooks like Apple or Google or something of the sort. But get yourself some books. Sit them down. If there's money to be made in real estate, there's been a book written about it. You can almost guarantee that. Secondly, one of the most powerful ways to learn anything in any industry is by having a mentor. And it holds true here in real estate as well. Find someone who has been through it, someone who's made the mistakes, someone who's triumphed, someone who can help you avoid pitfalls and celebrate with you in your wins. People generally enjoy sharing their knowledge and sharing what they know. The same holds true for great real estate investors. So go ahead, find one. Introduce yourself to a great investor. Somebody whose career you'd probably like to most emulate or copy. Buy them a coffee, meet them at a cafe, buy their lunch. Small price to pay for the amount of knowledge that they're gonna unload on you. Third, one of the newest ways that people are learning and grabbing more information than they can shake a stick at is through podcasts. Now, any device with an internet connection and a screen or an audio output can access podcasts. Whether you've got Apple or Google or Spotify, doesn't matter. Everybody's serving up podcasts left and right these days. Often you can find the same real estate podcasts on different platforms. If you have a Google phone or whatever, and you like a specific one that you see on Apple, 9 times out of 10 that it's going to be on Google's platform as well. So don't fret. Grab a podcast. Sit down. Listen to it while you're working out, while you're driving, while you're having lunch, whatever it may be, while you're winding down. Any time is a great time to learn. Now, speaking of learning, real estate math, the fourth thing, is not so hard in and of itself. It's just a concept, really, that you have to grasp. So you got to learn how to calculate your income from a property, your expenses of a property, cash flow of a property, the ARV, which is the after repair value, ROI, return on investment, and it's really simple. It's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Maybe not in that order, but we all remember PEMDAS, right? So it's not that difficult. You just have to familiarize yourself with the concepts, go over it quite a few times, run a few examples, and it'll start to click. Repetition is what you need when it comes to real estate math. Familiarize yourself. Go over it over and over and over and don't stop. You got this. So the fifth thing I really want to focus on now is fear. Fear is the biggest roadblock that people have, right? It stops them from getting out of their seat. It stops them from achieving their dreams. It breaks them down time after time. If you want to achieve this, you can do it. You simply have to get off your behind. You got to commit and you got to start participating. After that, it's simple. You're just going to learn the lingo, learn the concepts, and watch other people. Emulate those people who you admire, the people that have made it, the people that are doing it right now. They're normal too. You can do this. It doesn't take that much effort to defeat fear. You just have to stand up to it. All right, y'all. It's Trivon Thompson, Century 21 Connect Realty, signing off until next time. Y'all have a great day.